Hey, what's up you guys, my name is Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to show you guys what I eat in a day. Obviously, this is not what I have every single day. It varies according to the situation, but ideally, this is what I will have. Also, I filmed this video on the course of a few days because I'm just so bored that all I do is make food, film it, and I have like a bunch of footages of me making food, and I just handpick like the best ones and the ones that I think would most realistically represent what I eat in a day. So I just compiled a bunch of them and make them into this one video. Alright, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a winter so honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know.
This is really good. I'm going to leave the recipe down in the description box. Oh my gosh, you gotta try it. It's amazing. Guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys like it, help you kill the boredom, or maybe inspire you a little bit to give you ideas on what to cook. I get the most inspiration from this Indonesian YouTuber. His name is William Gozali, and I also watch a bunch of tasty recipes and Bon Appetit Kitchen, I think, or Bon Appetit channel, so maybe you guys can check them out. I will link them down below, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Please stay healthy and stay happy, even though it's kind of hard right now. But yeah, I just hope you guys are okay right now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you want to. That would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.